Hi guys, recently my jack broke. I decided to disassemble and identify the cause of the breakdown. Usually it's here. There's a gap between the gears due to wear and tear of the plastic linings. Metal washer can be put in their place and the gap will disappear. But in my case, this is such a sleeve which has a thread in the inside. But the thread wears off over time and the jack stops working. If I replace this bushing with a new one, the jack will be better than before. Friends, here, this sleeve together with this holder walk along the hairpin and terribly either raise the car or lower it. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.